How to recover Bybit account 2024 reset Bybit account. Well, if you want to recover or reset your Bybit account password, simply open up the Bybit app and just go to the login page right here. Now normally you would enter your email and password to login, but since you forgot your password, go to forgot password option and simply enter the email address that was actually associated with your Bybit account over here. So I will simply go ahead and enter that and tap on reset password. So what this will do is it will actually send a verification code to my email. So I have to go ahead and then first of all verify the code over there, and once I verify the code that will be sent over there, then I'll be able to enter the new password without having to remember my old password. This way I can recover my Bybit account. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.